Hello. In this video, we will learn how to read data from a line graph. Ms. Cooper and Mr. Lin are English teachers. They decided to have a competition between their classes to see who could read the most books. Here is a line graph of their progress. A line graph is a way to show how data changes over time. This is called the legend. It gives information on what the lines represent. The x-axis tells us the time period. Our data is for January through May. The y-axis represents the quantity of books read. Our graph shows the values from 0 to 30. Which class read the most books in April? In April, Mr. Lin's class read 22 books. Ms. Cooper's class read 18 books. How many books had Ms. Cooper's class read by March? They read 18 in January, 16 in February, and 18 in March. That is a total of 52 books. Which class read the most books in a single month? The highest point on either line is 24 books for Ms. Cooper's class in May. So, which class read the most books in all? Both classes read 94 books. However, Ms. Cooper's class read the most books in a single month. And that's how you read data from a line graph. See you next time.